Hello students, let's do one new construction. Draw a right triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 6 cm, BC is equal to 8 cm and angle B is equal to 90 degree. From B we have to draw a perpendicular on AC and whose name is BD. So BD perpendicular to AC will have to draw. The circle through B, C and D we have to draw. After that construct the tangents from A to the circle. So let us first draw a triangle, right triangle, in which I am taking BC is equal to 8 cm. BC 8 cm we are taking. 5, 6, 7 and that is 8. This is B and that is C. 8 cm we have drawn. After that we will draw a right angle at point B. Now they have given AB is equal to 6 cm, so you will have to cut 6 cm from it. You can open compass 6 cm, put it here and cut from it. Here it is smaller, so you can increase it. So that is point A, 6 cm. After that when you join it, you will get the right triangle. This is right triangle and here it is right angle. Now he is saying from B we will have to draw perpendicular on AC. So you will have to keep the spike of the compass here on B. Open your compass that much so that it can cut AC at 2 points. Here we have this point and this point. After that we will have to keep the compass spike here, open more than half of this arc and draw one arc from this point and one arc from this point. Thereafter we will join this with B. A little bit we will have to join like this, and this is point D. Now we have to draw a circle which will pass through B, C and D. So we will take any two sides of triangle BCD and draw their perpendicular bisector. So I am taking here BC and draw its perpendicular bisector. See carefully, because in this construction we have so many arcs, so don't get confused. We'll join like this, and same procedure for CD also. You can take BD also, any two sides you'll have to take. So here I am taking BC and CD. More than half you open, one arc up, one arc down, and same measurement from D also, one up and one down. So now these will be joined. They will be joined like this. So here they are cutting on this point. Suppose this is M or any name you can give. Now you put the spike of compass on M, open up to B and draw one circle which will pass through these points. Here if it is slipped a little bit, then there will be difference. Here it is slipped a little bit, that's why it is, otherwise it was going like this. See a little bit. So you should be very careful in drawing that one. No, it is coming correct exactly. So this inner will be wrong here. When you do by pencil, it will be, if you do some mistake, you can rub. I am doing here with pen so that you can see it clearly. So that is the circle. Now see, one tangent is that one, because we know the angle between tangent and radius will be equal to right angle. BM is the radius and AB is the tangent. So one tangent is this one, but we want tangents. So from A point you can measure A and B, that much you can open, and from this circle you cut one more arc. See again, I have opened that much. From here you cut like that. Now suppose this is point B dash. This is B dash point. Now you join it also with A. So here we have AB and AB dash, AB and AB dash are the required tangents. So you see it carefully and do practice. Here this inner one is not the part of the circle. If you do a little bit variation, if it slips, then it will not come correctly. So here I did mistake, you don't do that mistake. Okay, I think you understood, students. So you draw 2-3 times, then you will draw it very nicely. And one more thing, this type of circles are called circumcircle. Okay, thank you, students.